Good morning, guys. How we doing? It is Monday, July 19th. I have some cool things to show you guys today. Some news from Elon Musk that might help pump the price of Dogecoin. I'm not going to say it will, won't say it won't, but he's obviously still paying attention to Dogecoin. That is a good thing because one tweet from him of, Dogecoin being accepted for Tesla or maybe another product that he has would be very nice for us to maybe get a pump in the market. So I will be going over the breaking news. I'm going to show you guys the metrics, and then I'm going to end this video, guys, showing you the best trade setup, honestly, the best trade setup you guys can take for Dogecoin today. And I truly believe that, and I'll prove that to you guys at the end of this video. All right, guys, let's have some fun here. So the trend exhaustion indicator here is showing that we are in the bottom red section. Historically, this is when we see pumps in the price. Well, I won't just say that. Let me show you some proof here. So last time we ended up getting down here was around this zone here. I'll show you guys on the metrics today how our metrics actually called this move up. The whales were buying very strongly right here, shot the price up. I know this is correlated as well to a tweet. Did they know something we didn't? I don't know. Well, I'll just show you guys how the metrics was able to, a lot of whales were buying in here with smart money before this went up. So make your own conclusions, but I'll share that with you in this video today. Okay, last time we came down here, this saw a nice move up. Now, you guys might be looking at this and be like, oh, this isn't that big of a move. It was actually a decent sized move. It was about 10%. So, whales, institutions, smart monies, they made, about, I would say, 9 to 10% within a matter of one day. If they're just using this indicator. Obviously, I know they're not all using this, but I'm giving this to you guys. If you guys want an indicator to help you guys call the bottoms and the tops of currencies before they drop or before they rise, this is a very good indicator to have. It's just called a trend exhaustion. You guys can get it in the description if you would like. Another good one is the price versus the whale money flow. Now, historically, what I would like to watch here, let me show you this. When you guys see consolidation in the market like this, like even around here, see how this is a low and this is a low is here, right? As well right here. This is consolidation. I got to point this out to you guys. If you know how to use this and spot this, this is where you can make a lot of good money in the market just with this indicator. Let me pull out a tool here. I'm going to pull out the rectangle. Watch this. See this consolidation zone right here? That's what I'm trying to point out to you guys right here, this consolidation. If you take the end of this consolidation move, which is right here, and we follow all the way down, what do you guys see happening with the whale money flow in green? It's not moving up. It is drastically moving straight out of the market. It is actually moving out of the market while price is moving up. I've done this on videos before and recorded this, that if you guys, when you have this indicator, if you see money flowing out of the market and price is moving up, it absolutely, like physically, financially, it cannot move up because there's not money pushing it back up. It literally will drop like every single time if you guys see price structure consolidating or moving up and the green line moving back down with the whale money flow, okay? This is why I use this indicator, and it tells us signs of what the whales are doing and most of all, where money is flowing, okay? So make sure you guys snag that in the description as well if you guys want it, okay? The trend dashboard up here is basically taking all of the major indicators, if you will, for all retail traders, even some big guys use it as well, and it's telling us the overall sentiment of the market. Are they looking long or are they looking short? I would definitely say that most people are, if they're following the momentum, are looking for the market to continue heading down. That gives me a good sign of why I saw a bunch of selling pressure in here. Retail traders are not confident. All the major indicators they use in here, stochastic, MACD, and RSI, they're not moving up, they're moving down. So this is what I use to help gauge a good idea of what new beginner traders are doing, as well as some retail traders, okay? Let's go over the metrics here and get an idea of what maybe whales and institutions are doing in the market. I will give you guys my call here of how low I think this can go. Let's quickly go over the metrics here. So this will update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time over at tradeconfident.io. You guys can access this with a simple membership. I do have pricing up here real quick. I'm not going to turn this into a sales video. Here you guys go. Simple price, $49 a month to get metrics to all of these. All right, let's go over Dogecoin. So for Dogecoin, you guys are seeing something interesting happen. Last time we saw fearful and anxiousness enter into the market, we were down here. Well, if you follow this chart here, we did see a pump up right after that. It is holding true, guys. The emotional index tells me what retail traders and usually the market in general, I say usually because it's not really what whales are doing. Whales and smart money are trading against this. Every time, guys, they're trading against us. When people are excited, they're like, oh my gosh, we're finally heading to the moon, and they're excited and they're getting greedy, the whales are going to short you guys out. Like I've done too many videos on here to prove to you guys that when you're really excited and you're greedy, you guys are going to get shorted out in the market. Watch this right here. You're going to get shorted out in the market. You're going to get shorted out in the market, and you're going to get shorted out in the market. 1, 2, 3, 4 times has not been wrong, okay? Even 5 times back here when people were greedy. So if you want to understand the behavior and the emotions of crypto, this is the chart you guys need to be watching. I'm serious. This will keep you out of so many losing trades. I personally believe, not financial advice, but I believe this will keep you out of losing trades and help you guys enter those winning trades even better, understanding the emotions of retail traders and what wells do to come against them. Okay, long versus short trades, guys. This is ridiculous. An incredible amount of long trades pumped into the market. I will show you why I believe that happened with the breaking news at the end here, okay? But we did see an immediate decrease in long trades after they took their profit here and started moving back down. All right. So short trades, were increased drastically, and then we started seeing these moves down. But short trades are just kind of steadily hanging here. The thing that I do like is the overall long trades are still higher than we were before. So I still think people are looking to hold this. Why? Because people who got in here and they saw the price shoot up real quick, if they were sleeping and they saw the price go back down, most people are conditioned in the crypto market not to sell. They only sell when they go to the moon. It's something that I don't like necessarily that's taught in the crypto. I teach you guys to take profits at about 10 to 20% every single time, and you guys come in and you take those profits and you go home, and that's great. This is 18.49%, so well over the 10%, obviously. But I think the reason why long trades are still increased here is because people are still holding their trades from this move up. Now, this could get a little drastic here if we start dropping below the support here, and I'll explain that to you in a second. Let's move down. Long versus short trade risk. Are you looking to enter a long trade or a short trade today? We're sitting quite neutral. Now, remember, all of these metrics are going to update here in about 2 hours. It's about 6 o'clock right now, 6 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. It's going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Make sure you watch the next metrics. When you guys start seeing long trades come down here, this is historically a very good place to take long trades. And I'll show you today before I leave here the best long trade setup. Well, and institutional smart money. They've been buying this all the way down. I did a video for you guys right here when we saw this little jump. I know it didn't look like a big jump, but that's the jump right here. If we take, I won't take candle wick bottom because nobody got in at the bottom at all, but if you take the end of that candle close, this was about 12.58%. So the Wells institutions, those of you guys who are watching these metrics, if you got in when all these Wells got in and when we saw this huge increase right here, even if you got in around this area where we saw, historically where we pump really high in the long trade sentiment, this was about a 12% increase in the price. Take your profit and run, okay? That's what I'm calling lately. I don't like the idea of holding for the moon. I understand there's reasons for that, but getting in and getting out and then reinvesting on the dips and then selling and reinvesting on the dips and then selling, that's where compound interest can take advantage or basically play into your advantage, and you can do quite well. We saw another drastic increase of long trades here, and then what happened? We saw a nice pump in the market. Could Elon have timed this on purpose? I'm not sure. But all I know is if you guys are following the well and institutional smart money, they were buying very hard up here for some reason, and they made their money already, shot the price straight back up, and this was a move of about 19 to 20% in the market. So that's really interesting of how that correlated together, and now we see long trades dropping out of the market. If we see long trades drop out of the market and we start shifting over to the bottom side, that's a good sign the price is headed up. Okay, so watch that. If you guys are looking at support resistance prices, I mentioned that I was going to go over this. If we start breaking below this point of 16 cents, there is not much holding us back from us hitting 13 to 14 cents. Let me show this to you guys on the charts. So if we break this, basically it's an ascending support line here, and that's right at 16 cents. The next visual support we see is at 13.8, 13.7, okay? That is where I'm looking for us to hit quite fast if we do break this, so definitely watch for 13 cents, or we'll call it 14 cents on the chart, possibly this week if we break these supports. Let's keep moving down here a little bit. Those of you guys who are looking to dollar cost average, I would highly recommend you guys watch for this signal. I do believe it's going to come out soon. It has done very well at helping call the bottoms here before we shoot back up, before we shoot back up, before we shoot back up. Now, let's be clear, this doesn't call the bottoms all the time, so like I joke around in the videos. We'd probably be billionaires if we could call the bottoms every time. But you guys can use this dollar cost average buys here as well as the exit points to help give you guys places to exit in the market. Now, when we keep going down, down, down like this, there's not great places to exit, so this better not be pointing too many exit points because we have not seen a nice point move up yet. So I do believe we will see a green candle in here soon, and then we can look to exit when we get an exit point in here. Again, all these metrics you guys can have access to, and we're currently live on a death cross. Okay, as I told you guys, I'm going to show you the reason why I believe today is a good trade setup day. That means taking a trade. Here's the best setup I believe you guys can take. Go to the live trade section. I don't know if you guys saw that. Top left tab up here, live trades. You can move down. Real quick, by the way, these metrics up here, I added in link and DOT, so now there's the top 10 metrics you guys can access every single day that update at 8 a.m. Okay, let's go over Dogecoin live trading. If you guys want to take a trade today, remember these will update in 2 hours. This is what I'm suggesting, that if you guys watch this white line, which is the live price of Bitcoin, and then you guys want to enter in, this is what I am calling, not financial advice. The dotted line is the live price. The 4 yellow lines directly below the dotted line, which is the live price at 8 a.m. this morning when it comes out, that is where you guys can do 4 buy limits in the exchange. For example, you have $1,000, $250 would go at the yellow line, the first one, $250 at the second, $250 at the third, $250 at the fourth. Guys, this is incredible risk management. And it is what the whales are doing. Grayscale uses this exact same method of dollar cost averaging in. They say it in almost every single one of their articles they come out with when they're talking about positioning. This shows you exactly how to trade this. This is so stinking simple. And then if you guys want a video, there's a video. So what you can do is you can watch the metrics here. And if you see the metrics giving you a good long signal, then you can come over here and get the best trade setup right now for Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, ADA, VET, Matic, XRP, UNI, Link, and DOT. Okay, all of this is available to you guys. So let's finish this video over here with some news. So Elon Musk might be giving us a little bit of a sign that he could be maybe accepting it for Tesla soon. We'll see. Dogecoin spikes 10% after Elon Musk updates Twitter picture to Doge eyes. Okay, very interesting. The price of Dogecoin grew 9.7% overnight to reach 19 cents after Tesla CEO Elon Musk changed his Twitter profile to show his support for meme cryptocurrency. Okay. This is what I believe caused this spike in the price right here, all right? Elon Musk is still interested in Dogecoin. Does he have something up his sleeve? I think he might. We need to watch this very carefully. Never said the word sell. Elon Musk boasts the price of Dogecoin as Bitcoin and crypto lose billions. He never said sell. So he sent out this tweet. Elon Musk, actually, let me just show this to you guys. I'm not going to read it. Let me just show you from the source. Little X is holding his Doge like a champ. Literally never said the word sell, even once. Could he be giving you guys some heads up of like, hey, I know the market's crashing. I know I haven't come out with a utility case yet where we're going to use it for Tesla, but I'm working on the backgrounds. And hey, guys, by the way, I never told you to sell. Could that be what Elon Musk is saying? Here's the Doge eyes right here. We see Doge in his sunglasses. So is this like one of the craziest bullish tweets we've seen from Elon Musk lately? Well, let's look into that. Sorry, I actually didn't mean to click on this, but while we're here, Bitcoin whales, by the way, which I'm going to go over in a video probably tomorrow. I've been showing this, that the whales are buying up Bitcoin like crazy right now. Actually, let me give you guys a sneak peek at this real quick. I want to end this because Bitcoin will affect Dogecoin. So let me I'll sneak this in here if you guys waited to the end here. Take a look at this. The well and institutional smart money, they've been buying this like crazy. See this spike right here? Yes, we saw a little bit of move down to shorts, and then we saw a drop in the market. But this has been an incredible accumulation in Bitcoin. I've been calling this. You guys can see this over here. Let me give you guys just another little bit of proof that this is happening. Take a look at this. $3.2 billion of Bitcoin in portfolios. Whales are increasing their positions. Whales are increasing their positions. Yes, the majority of whales right now are down or negative in their portfolio. It's true. Price is heading down. Whales accumulating. I've been showing this to you guys on the chart. So make sure you guys, if you're watching this and you have a subscription over tradeconfident.io, watch these whale metrics. Okay, something that you guys are going to see on. I've actually talked to a trader about this weekend. Something you're going to see over on. I'm sorry, guys. There's my portfolio. We're currently down 800, down with a lot of whales actually at the moment here. What you guys are going to see is a lot of money flowing into the market with whales, but price is going to be moving down. So if you watch this, you will not always tell when the price is going down if you just watch the whale metrics on like Sentiment or something like that. This metric actually takes in behavior and shows where the smart money is shorting. So if you guys actually compare this chart over here, I'm sorry this is so long, but I'm trying to show you the value of this because this is why I switched over. I used to have a membership with Glassnode, CryptoQuant, Sentiment, all those, like literally had a membership with those. So if you guys are watching this and whales are increasing their prices here, what I'm actually showing you guys is where you can also short the market here and actually take advantage of that. Because I'm telling you guys, a lot of shorting was happening right here and the price was decreasing. But if you guys come over here and take a look at this, there was also increases in whale volume. See this right here? This increase right here, BTC price, they were buying all of this, but I'm also showing you guys that there's a lot of selling going on, which is actually a little bit more accurate in my personal opinion to get you guys out of trades. if that makes sense, okay? Watch this chart very closely. So finishing up on Dogecoin, guys, that is the best trade call I can give to you guys at the moment. That, again, is over at tradeconfident.io. If you guys want a membership over there to access all the metrics and the live trades, it's $49 a month. Have an amazing, amazing day, guys. God bless you so much. I'll keep you guys updated, and make sure you guys are watching this live trade. There you go. All your entries, all of your exits right here for Dogecoin. Have a good one, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.